Jai Ma Saraswati. Hello everyone, welcome back to Centurion TV. We are the team Centurion, and on this holy day, I would like to extend my warmest wishes on the behalf of this महापवित्र बसंत पंचमी. तो आप सभी को जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, इस पूरे सेंचुरियन परिवार की तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. तो आप जैसे कि जानते हैं, माँ सरस्वती इज द गॉडेस ऑफ लर्निंग, इज द गॉडेस ऑफ म्यूजिक, शी इज द गॉडेस ऑफ knowledge. So she plays a very important role and a very vital role in students' life. So on today, we the Centurion are celebrating this day. So let's go and have a take or have a view about what is the vibe here and about the environment, how peaceful and how calm is the environment. So let's go.
Hello everyone, this is me Aresha Mishra, a student of class 9, and first of all wishing you all a very happy Vasant Panchami on behalf of Team Century. It has been complete 5 years of being a part of this esteemed institution, and the experience over here is something that I can't express in mere words. Starting from the teaching staff who are always supportive to the non-teaching staff who are always cooperative, and together they are caring. At last, I just want to say that the admissions are open from today onwards for the new session 2026-27. So don't miss this chance to be a part of Centurion family. Thank you very much.
ओम सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धि भवतु मे सदा. May Goddess Saraswati bless you with knowledge, joy of learning, and happiness, and obviously a good health. So, wishing you a very happy and auspicious Basant Panchami on the behalf of Team Centurion. Thank you everyone.
Basant Panchami marks the beginning of spring and the celebration of knowledge, power, and creativity. This reminds us that the true knowledge doesn't only kept on books and learnings. It depends upon our own potential to learn something. So on the second occasion, we should promise that we should respect our teacher and the form of knowledge. So from our side, a happy Basant Panchami to all of you. Thank you.
So hello everyone, it's me Rajashi Nayak from class 9. So Om Ma Saraswati Namo Namo. The one who wears a Sweta Vastra, symbolizing the wisdom, who guides us through life journey of hope that teems even in the quietest corner of our hearts, and the wisdom that dispels the clouds of darkness. So a very happy Saraswati Puja to each and everyone watching this, and this is also to inform that our admission opens are starting from this date. So anyone who wants to become a part of Centurion family, you are most welcome to our campus. Thank you very much.
Today we gathered here to celebrate Saraswati Puja. Saraswati Puja is the auspicious for everyone. Ma Saraswati is the symbol of kingdom, wisdom, knowledge and learning. Today every student worship their books, copy and instrument. So let's just promise that we have to respect our teachers, value our education and everything. Happy Saraswati Puja to all.
Happy Basant Panchami to all of you. On the behalf of Basant Panchami, I want to say something about this. पहले तो हम जानते हैं कि सरस्वती माता का कैसे आगमन हुआ वो जानते हैं. पहले जब ब्रह्मा जी ने ब्रह्मांड बनाया तो वो वहाँ पे कोई ध्वनि या फिर स्वर नहीं था, तो वो बहुत चिंतित हो गए और शिव जी के पास गए. शिव जी ने उसे कमंडल में पानी दिया. उसने छिड़कने के बाद वहाँ पे सरस्वती माता का आगमन हुआ, जहाँ पे वो बीड़ा लेके खड़े थे और वो बीड़ा के स्वर में सरस्वती माता ने स्वर का आगमन किया, और वहाँ से सरस्वती माता ने बहुत सारी बुद्धि और विज्ञान और सारे का आगमन किया है. थैंक यू.
At first, I wish a very happy Basant Panchami to all. और इस दिन हम सारे एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन में सरस्वती पूजा पालन करते हैं, क्योंकि देवी सरस्वती विद्या बुद्धि के देवी है और हर किसी को विद्या बुद्धि देती है. हैप्पी सरस्वती पूजा टू ऑल. थैंक यू.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणीं विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिं भवतु मे सदा. सेंचुरियन परिवार तरफ से आपको बसंत पंचमी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
To all like blessed Vasant Panchami on this auspicious occasion, let us pray to Goddess Saraswati for wisdom. It is not a celebration of only books. This is a celebration of creativity and art. So let us invite the wisdom and pray to Goddess Saraswati.
आसिफ माँ, देती ज्ञान का सागर माँ, कहती अपने जीवन में भी कमल बने, अपने कर्मों से महान बने। हे शारदे माँ, आपका वंदन करते हैं, श्री पुष्पों की माला आपके चरणों में अर्पण करते हैं। विद्या की माँ सरस्वती सबका कल्याण करे, सबको सद्बुद्धि प्रदान करे। Me, Bhavya Agrawal, wishing you all a very happy Vasant Panchami. As we know that the admissions are going to open from today's onwards. So, please do visit our school and let's shape your child's future with Centurion Public School, Dangripali. Thank you very much.